Good day, good people of Hampton Roads. This is Howard Martell with a quick update. Well, I am on day 8 of the Perfect Food for the Perfect Body Challenge. So I submitted the information, and right now I have 13,575 steps, and I have screeching 6.28 miles, which, if I figure it out just right, I think I have hit 10 miles already in 2 days. That's right, people. Even on this Veterans Day, where we thank our veterans, we are here to show you that, hey, you can eat good, but you also can transform your body using the perfect food for the perfect body. That's right, the perfect food for the perfect body. So we'll wait for that to update. So what you're going to see is a transformation of things. So let's go do a quick share screen. Well, let's go to video. I like doing some videos. So let's go to the video. Let's go here to this. I want to show you what I did.
Fitness enthusiast, you need PFPB. Let's dive into how it can supercharge your journey. Hey there, fitness fam. Are you tired of feeling sluggish and run down? Want to fuel your body with the perfect food for optimal performance? We've all been there. Low energy, brain fog, and struggling to reach our fitness goals. But what if I told you there's a game-changing solution? Introducing PFPB, the perfect food for the perfect body. With PFPB, you'll experience increased energy and endurance, enhanced mental clarity and focus, supports weight management and lean muscle growth, boosts immune system and overall well-being. Ready to fuel your body with the perfect food? Click the link in my bio to join the PFPB community and start your journey to optimal health and performance. Thanks for tuning in, fam. Here is my link for more information. Don't forget to follow me for more health and fitness tips at PFPB, Perfect Food, Fitness Motivation.
Alrighty, so let's go here to present. Let's go to another video. I wanted to show you what I've been doing with this AI. It's pretty impressive, right? So let's go. This is a challenge that I did on day 7. Good day, good day, good day. This is Howard Martell with a quick testimony about PFP. I'm thrilled to share how the perfect food for the perfect body on day 6, or this is day 7, has transformed my life. Since incorporating this amazing meal replacement shake into my daily routine, I'm experiencing incredible energy boost, improved mental clarity, and significant reduction in cravings for unhealthy snacks. My digestion also is improved significantly, and I feel confident in my own skin. The best part, I've lost weight and maintained it effortlessly. This shake has been a game changer for me, and I can't recommend it enough. It's truly the perfect food for achieving the perfect body inside and out. Here's the stats to end the week. Steps, 56,702 and growing. Heart points, 542. Total minutes, 533 minutes with a combination of cardio and strength training, and a massive 30 miles and still growing stronger. I encourage everybody to join the PFP movement. Let's make America healthy again. Thank you. That was the video. Let's see if we can go one more. So just bear with me. I love creating these videos, right? Let's get these out of here. I'm going to say, hold on a second. Let's go here to present video file. Okay. 6. That's too long. I want something that's simple. Here we go. Here's another one that I did.
Food for the perfect body. Start date, November 4th, 2024. First experience, 10-to-1 meal replacement shake mixed with almond milk and ACI+. Taste sweet vanilla flavor which you enjoyed. Benefits noticed. Increased natural energy, appetite suppression for 4 to 5 hours, took it as breakfast, and more calmness over the past few days. Weight loss started at 176 pounds, aiming to lose more before Thanksgiving. It sounds like you're experiencing some great benefits from taking the perfect food for the perfect body. The increased energy and appetite suppression are fantastic results, and the added calmness is a wonderful bonus. Your weight loss journey is off to a great start too. Remember to keep tracking your progress, and don't hesitate to share any updates or questions you may have. You got this! How do you plan to continue using the perfect food for the perfect body to support your health and wellness goals? It's Thursday, November 7th, 2024, and this week so far, walking 22 miles and counting 42,000 steps, and 390 minutes of total cardio, and mixing it up with strength training. Will you be trying any new flavors or recipes? Share your thoughts. Visit my site located in the captions at https://akaipluselite.com/. Stress the benefits of this one product as wellness and meal replacement shake, and so much more 10 in 1.
And that was NVIDIA. So let's go here to this. That is just a little bit of what my journey's been over the last week. And as we go towards the next day, I will be taking this shake and I will be sharing the results. 2, get part of our team and to get your order in for the perfect food for the perfect body. And of course, make America healthy again. Take care. And I'm looking forward to all the results that you and your loved ones will get with this incredible 10-in-1 meal replacement shake